Car's right here.
Run.
There might be a mess. No.
Oh my god.
Let me throw this shit. Can I throw this shit?
Need you for the old me. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity?
Okay, so I'm not sure what the quality looks like right now. I switched from my camera to my phone since my phone is waterproof. But here's a little update. Hey, it's Tajane, and it is super duper rainy today. I don't know about you, but when you have curly hair and you try to mix that with rain, it's not a good look. But I'm just embracing the rain. I love the way it feels against my skin. I'm enjoying it, taking it in, and making the best of it. So hope you guys are having a positive day. I'm on my way to PE right now, and I go to art school, so PE isn't actually physical education. It is performance ensemble, which is like a choir class. So I'm gonna try to get there as soon as I can, and then I'll update you guys as soon as I am in there. All right, love you. See you in a sec. Do you like the feeling of the heart when it's falling? Give you permission. I can't get in. Hi. How are you? I like your hat. Hi. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we are.
Hey, Beck. Hey, girl. How are you?
You're so wet.
I don't know.
Your glasses.
I know.
Wait, do you have tape on your?
They're broken.
Gosh,
Leave me alone.
You're such a nerd. Hi.
Oh my god, that was like the most fake.
Please edit me in this so that I like look prettier than I do.
No, whatever. Hi, Reese. Come on, man.
Buzz, buzz.
Come on.
Buzz, buzz, bitch.
Wait, what do you mean that's all you get? Are you like camera shy?
Aren't you a model, dude? Like, why are you camera shy? Hey, brother. So here's the thing that I discovered. Kind of sad because when I film on my phone, it makes my skin look a lot better than it actually is. And then when I filmed on this camera, it caught every imperfection on my face. And I was like, oh my god. Oh no, absolutely not.
My car's right here.
Run.
There might be a mess. No.
Oh my god.
Let me throw this shit. Can I throw this shit?
Sophia,
Oh my god, you guys.
come.
Rain is killer, and I wanna die.
That's a big mood.
The museum directions and Sprint sucks.
This is gonna fall.
No, it won't. Okay, what if
Pink houses.
Oh, don't cry. This is so stressful. I hate driving. Other way. I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
Because I hate myself. This house reminds me of a Barbie doll house.
It's so cute.
It's blue and pink. I love it. I want to live here.
God, I do not want to live here.
I do. I just want to buy a tiny little house like that one. See this one? Ooh, it's for sale. Oh, I just definitely did not take that stop. And I'm on the other side of the road. Pay attention, guys.
All right, so I don't know what to do. My homework, I just need to convert the files to like PNG and PSD and like all of that. And
Whatever that means.
Yeah, whatever that means. And I need to get back here to go to class at 2.
I take you home with me, literally, but I can't be back at 2. Your vlogs are so funny. I
Obnoxious
laugh
mess
my
at
ass
all
off.
times. Like I literally don't know what I'm doing.
I laugh my ass off because I know what's happening in
Sophia,
your life.
do you want to do it?
Stop. You gotta stop. Where do I turn? Okay, now I turn this way. I should know where I am. Dámelo, yo sé que estás pensándolo, llevo un tiempo intentándolo, mami estoy parigándolo, sabes que tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam.
Okay, knows the entire song by heart, that's fine.
Cuando amor a ti te cae, lo vamos pegando poquito a poquito.
I look like a little nugget.
You know, you look cute. I need makeup, like I look crazy. You can see all my.
Shut up, Sophia.
With a straw.
I wasn't even going out tonight, but boy, I need to get you off of my mind.
We gotta do more car rides.
No, seriously, they're so cute.
Oh, look at Michael. He's in my class.
Michael.
Yeah. What up, Michael? What up, Michael? Michael.
Bruh.
Michael.
Commercial free
That live
4
footage
times
of
a
Sophia
day,
being
7
rejected.
days a week.
Savannah's new 98.3.
That's fine. Great. Ignore me. We get out of the car. I love you too. Bye, baby. Come to Aaron's party so I can see you. I will. Okay. Oh, God. Don't die, Todd. What are you dropping?
Everything.
Dropping We're just in the middle of the road. Like, it's no big deal.
Sitting up there, feeling so high, but you're far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there. Name in the sky, does it ever get lonely? Thinking you can live without me. Thinking you can live without me.
Okay, I should leave. I love you.
All right, I love you too, baby. Oh God. Bye. I love you. I'll see you. Mwah. How come whenever I come outside, the exposure is just like, nah, okay, it's because the lighting is coming from this way. It makes so much more sense. Okay, but yeah, so now I'm going into, well, you can't see, but 1 second. Okay, so I have homework to cram in, so I have to go up to the computer lab and transfer my files to PNGs and PSDs and all that jazz, so I will see you guys after that. All right, bye. I'm so freaking late for class, it's not even funny. Okay, so here's basically what happened. I spent the last hour and a half literally renaming all of the files for my CMPA class for my project because I did all of them incorrectly and I didn't want to fail, so I went ahead and I did that. And my teacher's gonna look at me crazy, like, why are you late? Because I definitely just sent him an email, so he knows I was probably doing crap at the last minute, but it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. I'm getting rain all over my camera. I don't really like that. Struggling, a little bit on the struggle bus today, but we're getting together. I'm gonna get to class. I'm gonna present my project, and we're gonna hope for the best. See you guys after. So my presentation went well. Wasn't awful, all things considered. Luckily, my teacher also extended the amount of time that we have to get the assignment done, not due till Saturday. So thank goodness for that. I'm starving. So I'm gonna get Carlitos, even though I told myself that I wasn't gonna do it anymore and that I was gonna weed myself off of it. I lied and I'm gonna get some, so yeah. Yeah! What are those?
I can't put them on.
Okay.
It's too tight.
Aw, I love you, bye! Who eats their food on the stick? Okay, this is not focused and I'm getting really mad about it. Okay. Oh, he fell over. I squished my burrito, no. Oh my God, no! Please don't, please don't. Okay, it's falling. This is a very attractive angle, wow. I love that. In sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee. That was cute.
I had to add a harmony.
Wow. Ooh.
Because
going to art school like.
Because Mexican food, the trooper.
Frickin' blood, man.
Sure.
You wanna say hi?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, this is Lauren.
Hi.
I just met Lauren.
She sucks.
How are you,
Hi,
Lauren?
I do.
Just like real quick.
Yes.
This full on denim look right now. And we are living for it.
Oh my God, what is that food?
Oh, Carlitos. I'm not supposed to be eating this, don't tell anyone.
Burritos here?
This is Izzy. Yes.
really
I made my cameo.
Me too.
You like, just a little poppin'.
What? Are you actually?
That's everybody I know is here. I just saw like 18 people I knew. Yeah, what is going on? It's like we're all in the same production or something. Say hi to the vlog.
Sure.
Hey, chicken.
Chicken boy. Feels like a piece of
With Vivian.
yeah.
Carlitos.
And then
I thought you guys were
and Tia.
I'll get out your way.
Bye.
Bye.
More than anything, I want to use like a really like a good rap lyric and like start it off my speech with that. But like say it by like someone like super
you know, super well respected. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, all you ladies pop your pussy like this. What? And just like starting with that. Ooh.
And that's the
Jesus. That was really ugly. I'm taking it out now. Oh, heartburn. Oh. So wow, hey, from a different location. Sorry that I suck and forgot to film an outro. Just plop that in right now because I forgot, I'm not gonna lie. But, you know, I guess that's the end of this video. I didn't vlog anything else after rehearsal. I kind of just went home and was tired, ate some food, and chilled. That was basically it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video and had fun coming along with me on my little vlog, please don't forget to dance on over that subscribe button so you can become a part of this little family. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Love you, and hope to see you soon.